Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have discussed about exercise 3.1, first question up to here. Okay, what was the question is, after tells his daughter, 7 years ago, after I was, means after was 7 times as old as after's daughter. Okay, I means after, you means after's daughter. We don't know the age, so we are taking x and y as variables, x as after's age and y as after's daughter age. See here, current age of after is x, current age of after's daughter is y. 7 years ago, I already said ago means you should take 7 years ago, so x minus 7. If it is 5 years ago, x minus 5. Okay, from now, yesterday I have explained all this. 7 years ago, I was 7 times. See, first statement is 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you. You means Aftab's daughter. Aftab was 7 times as old as Aftab's daughter. So, what is 7 years ago Aftab's age? 7 years ago Aftab's age is x minus 7 is equal to 7 times. 7 times means you have to multiply. 7 times as old as you. You means who? Aftab's daughter. 7 years ago, what is the Aftab's daughter's age? Y minus 7. So if you simplify this equation, you will get equation 1. Similarly, again he tells another statement, that is 3 years ago, 3 years ago, I will be 3 times as old as you will be. I means after will be 3 times as old as you. You means who? After's daughter. So 3 years later. 3 years from now. 3 years from now. 3 years from now means later. What is Aftab's age? 3 years from now? X plus 3 will be how many times old as? 3 times as old as Aftab's daughter. What is the age of Aftab's daughter 3 years later? That is y plus 3. If you solve this, you will get another equation. X plus 3 is equals to 3y plus 9. 3y, 3 into y, 3y, 3 is 9. Take everything to the left side. Minus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6 is equal to 0. Take this equation as 2. Now you got two equations. One is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Equation 1, x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Same thing which we have done in the previous example problems. We have to solve these two equations by putting some values. We have to draw the graph. Okay, because we have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So equation 1 implies, what is the equation 1? X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. So what we have to do here? X, y. What is y is equal to? Y is equals to x plus 42 divided by 7. Do you know how to write this? We have to solve this. Take this 7y to the right hand side, it becomes 7y. So remaining is x plus 42. 7 goes to the denominator, gives 7. Put whatever values you want, you can take. Whatever values you want, you can take. Okay. I am taking x as 0. First x as 0. If you take x as 0 here, what is the value of y? 7 1s are 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. See here. I will write in the left side. Okay. See here. Put x is equal to what? 0. What is the value of y? By putting x values, we have to derive y values. 0 plus 42 divided by 7. That is 42 by 7. 7 ones are 7 sigma is equal to 6. So what is the value of y? That is 6. Next, put x is equal to what value? You can take 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want, but I am taking 7. Because if you put 1 here, what happens? 1 plus 42, it becomes 43, which is not completely divided by 7. If you take decimal values, it will be difficult to represent in graph. That's why I am taking 7 here. 7 plus 42 is 49, which is completely divisible by 7. Y is equals to 7 plus 42, that is 49 by 7, which is equal to how much? 7 ones are 7 7. So what is the value of y for x is equal to 7? 7. When you put x is equal to 7 in this equation, you will get y is equal to 7. So what are the solutions here? 0, 6 and 7, 7 are the solutions of what? Equation 1. What is the equation 1? X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Similarly, we have to solve this. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So equation 2 implies x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to, sorry, x minus, second equation, x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. What we have to do? Again, we have to put some values. What is y here? X minus 6 by 3. Put x is equals to 0, you will get negative value. If it is a whole number, then it is not an issue. You can put x is equal to 0. What happens? Y is equal, if you put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 2. You will get negative value, but it is a whole number. We can represent negative values, whole numbers easily. But don't take decimal values. Okay. Again, what you put? If you put 3 here, put 3 here. Whatever value what you can take. Put 3 or 6. Put 3. What happens? Put x is equals to 3. Then y is equal to what? 3 minus 6 by 3. That is minus 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. We have to write highest number sign. 6 is highest, so take 3. We will get minus 1. What is the value of y? Minus 1. Now, what are the solutions here? For equation 1, 0, 6 and 7, 7 are the solutions of the equation. Here, what are the solutions? 0, minus 2 and 3, minus 1 are the solutions of what? Equation 2. What is the equation 2? X minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Now we got the solutions, this and this one. So now what we have to do? We have to plot a graph. See, every procedure is same. All procedures are same. Simply we have to take two equations. We have to write that equations and input some values and draw the graph. Only three procedures for the whole chapter. Shall I plot the graph? Negative values are there, so take negative y-axis also. It is bit big. This is the graph. Values 0, 3, 7. Up to 7 it is. Okay, so we should draw positive value as 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. First equation is this 0, 6. 0 is x-axis, 6 is y-axis. So 6 is y-axis means here it comes 0, 6. Another is 7, 7. 7, 7. So take properly. I don't have graph here. I am taking roughly. Join these 2 points. It comes like this. What are the x minus 7y plus? These two are the points 7, 7 and 0, 6. One line and another line is 0, minus 2. Minus 2 you should take here, not here, because this is y-axis. This is x-axis, right? On y you should take 0, minus 2 and x is 3, positive 3. X is positive 3, y is minus 1. It comes here 3, minus 1. So join these two. So what is the equation here? X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to. So this finished the problem. Understood? All problems are like this. This is the graph. Understood? So next to take second problem. Shall I erase? Okay. So second problem is also one and the same. What we have to do, again we have to take some unknown variables. We have to make equations, put values of x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and draw the graph. Finish. Okay, right. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900 rupees. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for 1,300 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So we don't know the cost of the bat and cost of the ball separately, individually, or one bat cost or one ball value. So what we have to take, let solution to question number 2. Okay, exercise 3.1. Let cost of one bat is equal to rupees x. One bat is enough. Cost of one ball is equal to rupees y, because we don't know how much rupees it is. What we have to do by using given statement? A coach of a cricket team buys how many bats? 3 bats. What we have taken for one bat? X rupees. And how many balls? 6 balls. 6 balls. Ball is y. For how many rupees? 3,900 rupees. 3,900 rupees. Okay. Reduce this equation, divide it by 3. What happens? X plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Is it? Divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Divided by 3. So simplify and write because for your convenience. Okay. Next. Again she buys one bat and 3 balls. One bat and 3 balls for how much rupees? 1,300 rupees. See, this is equation 2. These two are different with balls. Here they are buying 2 balls. Here they are buying 3 balls. Only difference is this. Remaining everything is same. Now we have to solve as usual. Solve this equation. Equation 1 implies, what is the equation 1? 1 plus 2y is equals to, take this as minus 1,300 is equals to 0. However you want, you can write. If you want, you can write like this or like this. can write like that also, minus 1300. Next, x. What is y here? Y is equals to 1300 minus x divided by 2. See here, x goes to the right side, 2 comes to the denominator. Now tell me, what are the values? Whatever values you want, you can take. I said already. Put x is equal to 0. What happens to y? Put x is equals to 0. Then y is equals to 1300 minus 0 divided by 2. 1300 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 6 are, remaining is 1. 10, 2 5 are. So 650 is the value of y when you take x as 0. Next, what will you take the value here to get whole number? Put x is equals to 100. How much? To get whole number. If you want, you can take 10, 20, 30, 50, 60. I am taking 100 only to get whole number. Only to get whole number. Why? Because see, if you take some 50 here, 1350 divided by 2 minus 50, 125 divided by 2. So it doesn't divide completely with 2. That's why I am taking 100. So y is equals to 1300 minus how much? 100 divided by 2. Only for your convenience it is 1200 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 how much? 12, which is equals to 600. So for y x is equals to 100, we get next. Take some equation. We got solutions of this equations are 0, 650 and 100, 600 are the solutions of what? Which equation? This equation. X plus 2y is equals to 1300. Again, we have to solve this one second equation. So equation 2 implies, what is equation 2? X plus 3y is equals to 1300. Again, y is equal to what? 1300 minus x divided by 3. Minus x to 1300 minus x divided by